Hello and welcome to Home Ec. I know what you're thinking, why are we watching a video when we could be cooking, right? Well, there's just a few safety features and techniques that you need to know before you're heading into that kitchen. Today you're going to learn how to chop, slice, mince, cube, dice, and julienne some vegetables. Let's get started, shall we? After you've washed your hands, take a look at your station and make sure everything is clean and organized. Take a look at your chef's knife, your paring knife, and your serrated knife, the three most important knives in your kitchen. Make sure you have your cutting board. Closely beside your cutting board, make sure you have two bowls, one for the waste and the other one for your finished product. The how-to of using a knife. You hold your knife in a grip called the pinch grip, where your thumb is on the one side, a finger is in the groove of the knife, and your other fingers are on the handle. As a safety feature, we like to use something called the claw. It's where your knuckles are guiding your knife. So, as you're cutting, you can't cut your finger off because your knuckle is pushing the knife away from you. And as you chop, the knuckle continues to push everything away.
Before I display to you how to chop your products, you must rinse and peel your product first. You can either use a paring knife, which is good for peeling, trimming, or coring, or you can use a standard peeler, which is found in a regular kitchen. Once you are finished rinsing and peeling your product, you will be using the pinch grip technique with your knife and the claw technique for your product. First, you must cut off the round edges to create a flat and even surface.
No.
Once you have done so, take your chef knife and hold it with the pinch grip technique and hold your product like this with the claw. And just rock the knife back and forth to chop your product into large, irregular pieces.
After cleaning your cutting board, your waste and product bowls, and your knives, you lay your cucumber horizontally on the cutting board. With your sharpened chef knife, using the techniques we learned earlier, cut lengthwise on your cucumber. This piece is inedible, so we're going to throw it in the waste. Now you just chop thin slices evenly of your cucumber. When you're done cutting, your product goes into the product bowl. After cleaning all your utensils once again, you have to cut a piece of cheese. Place the cheese on its side. Insert 4 even cuts into the cheese.
Always use cold water for vegetables and fruits, as they don't like warm water.
Cut them all in half, directly in the middle to make it all even. And then, if you'd like to, you can cube them separately and put it into your product bin. Or you can grab a whole chunk and do it all at once.
Now, hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to julienne a carrot. First, we have to peel the carrot. Second, we have to use the paring knife to cut the end of the carrot. We don't want to eat this. Now we need to cut the carrot in 3 pieces. Cut it off. Now I'm just gonna cube the carrot. Now we're just gonna cut in 2 inches each. Okay. And that's how you get it.
peeled your onion, chop in half with root still intact so the onion will start to bleed, which irritates the eyes. Slice as close to the root as possible. After doing so, turn the knife horizontal to cut in halfway. Hold the onion back in place, cut down.
Okay, cut off the tips of the jalapeno. Cut it in half, and then seed. If you don't have gloves to seed the jalapeno, then you use a spoon to seed out. Cut the jalapeno into little strips, and then cut it into little cubes. You now have minced jalapeno.